Okay, just received this parcel in the post yesterday. I've not opened it yet. It doesn't look like it's been really very well packed. It's sort of bulging on this end, a bit crushed up in the carrier. I'm expecting an old Bush radio, and also you can hear, sounds like there's bits floating around inside. If it is the Bush radio, it could be going back, because if they have a bit of a ding, it breaks the chassis away from the, like, I don't know whether it's Bakelite or plastic case. So we'll see. I'm hoping it's not actually. So look inside. Okay. So we got some. Yeah, it is the Bush. We got some like cardboard packing. That's been sort of packed fairly well. Let's just turn it out this way. Oh, it doesn't sound good. Something, yeah, stuff has come adrift inside. Let's carry on unpacking it. I'm just hoping it's not terminal. So as far as packing goes, we've got this cardboard lattice stuff on it. Put that to one side. So we got a bit of bubble wrap on it. Only one sort of 1 2/3 layers of it. Stuck to the case. Right, yeah, this isn't good. What a shame. It's absolutely falling apart. Look, there's bits of plastic broken off. You know, with a radio like this, it is fragile. I did send the seller a message asking to be real careful packing it. What a shame. I bought this in for a customer specifically as well, because he wanted one of these. Oh look, there's bits. Let's get you a bit closer. Ah dear. So yeah, there's bits of plastic broken off in the wrapping. You can see that the You can see the back panels, or the chassis, still attached to the back panel. I don't know if you can see inside there, but everything's dropped. Oh, it's absolutely ruined. There's bits rattling around inside. Yeah, there's. This is gonna have to go back, I think, which is a real shame. Let's see if we can get this back case off and have a look inside. It's literally is hanging on this back panel, the chassis, by the looks of it. Such a shame. I was really looking forward to this one. It was a lovely radio, but it's now absolutely ruined. And I'll show you why if I can get the thing open. What the hell's happened to all my flat-bladed screwdrivers? Okay. Yeah, there's bits, all the bottom here is broken off, look. And you can see that inside the whole chassis has broken away from the plastic fixing points. It's absolutely ruined. Only good for the spares bin. What a shame. I mean, look at the bits of plastic broken off. Look. It's absolutely gutting, really. A lovely old radio like this, built in probably the early 60s, totally ruined by bad packaging. Although, as I say, it's not the worst packaging I've seen, but you can see there's bits everywhere. There's screws, bits of plastic. Oh dear. So over to the cellar, really. That definitely has not been packed that well. You know, I've had these through the post before and they've been fine, but really you've got to do better than that on the packaging. You need a strong cardboard box. You need to put this in a box and then in another box, if possible. Even put some packing inside to stop the chassis moving about. Oh dear, that's pretty gutting, really. I don't think there's anything that can be done with that. Yeah, it's one of the older ones with a proper chrome lettering as well. Oh well, I'm just going to have to contact the seller and either send it back or just keep hold of it for spares. Thanks for watching, and say, give me a thumbs up if you like that. I don't particularly like it, so I'm going to give it a thumbs down. But not for my video, for the seller. Bye for now.